Have you ever wondered how a tiny bird can drill a tree like a carpenter? Meet the woodpecker, nature's professional drummer. With a strong beak and shock-absorbing skull, this bird can peck a tree more than 20 times per second without hurting itself. Woodpeckers are not just making noise, they are searching for insects, building nests, and even communicating with other woodpeckers. Their colorful feathers make them stand out, and their persistence reminds us that consistency always wins. Anytime you hear that familiar talk, talk, talk in the forest, just note a woodpecker is at work doing what is known best. Nature is amazing. Oboye has spoken.